Decision 2012. I've decided to start doing some YouTube videos. I came up with this idea yesterday when I was sitting in my friend's passenger seat while he went to a casino to cash in his 3-team NFL parlay ticket. I gave him that 3-teamer. The Lions, the Packers, and the Bears. And because he hit that parlay ticket, he's going to give me $20 and some pizza. The way the value of the dollar is dropping, pizza should be a currency. My going rate is 11 slices to a pizza and a half an hour. This is Shotgun with Mike Stigs. Today is November 6, 2012, Election Day. Today we will vote if we get a new president or 4 more years of Barack Obama. It almost sounds like it's Groundhog Day. If the president sees his shadow, we get 4 more years of winter. This will be a close race. How do I know? I don't. I tell you who I'm voting for. But this is my first video, and as of right now, I have 0 viewers. And I don't want to lose any of them. I'll tell you this. The presidential race is between 2 guys with the dumbest first names. Barack and Mitt. Sounds like 2 names graffiti writers would use. 4 years ago, President Barack Obama ran on the slogan, "Hope and Change." Well, after 4 years, most American people ran out of money, and now they hope they don't run out of change. And Mitt Romney, he says he create a lot of jobs for the American people. Well, let me tell you something, Mitt. Most Americans don't want to work in China. I'm Mike Stigs, and I approve this video.